The foundation of trust, RSA in network security. In today's interconnected world, network security is paramount. We rely on networks to share information, conduct business, and connect with others. This reliance makes securing our digital interactions critical. Cryptography provides the tools to protect our data and communications. RSA, named after its inventors Rivest-Shamir-Adleman, is a cornerstone of modern cryptography. It is a public key cryptosystem and is widely used for secure communication and digital signatures. Its strength lies in the mathematical difficulty of factoring large prime numbers. This difficulty forms the basis of RSA's security. RSA enables secure communication even over untrusted networks. RSA is crucial in many security protocols and applications. It secures web browsing, email, file transfers, and virtual private networks, VPNs. Its widespread adoption speaks to its reliability and effectiveness. Understanding RSA is fundamental to grasping the complexities of modern network security. Public and private keys, the core of RSA encryption. RSA's elegance lies in its use of public and private keys. Each user has a key pair, a public key and a private key. The public key can be freely distributed, while the private key must be kept secret. This key pair enables various cryptographic operations. Encryption with the public key ensures that only the holder of the corresponding private key can decrypt the message. Imagine sending a confidential email. You can encrypt it with the recipient's public key, and only they can decrypt it with their private key. This ensures confidentiality. Conversely, signing a message with the private key allows anyone with the public key to verify its authenticity. This is the basis of digital signatures. If you sign a document digitally with your private key, anyone can verify that it was indeed you who signed it using your public key. This dual functionality of public and private keys makes RSA a versatile tool in cryptography. It provides both confidentiality and authenticity, essential for secure communication in the digital age. Secure communications, shielding data in transit. One of RSA's primary applications is securing communications over untrusted networks, such as the internet. When you send information online, it traverses through numerous servers and routers. Without encryption, this data is vulnerable to eavesdropping and interception. RSA encryption ensures that only the intended recipient can read the transmitted information. Before sending data, it is encrypted using the recipient's public key. Only the recipient, possessing the corresponding private key, can decrypt and read the message. This process ensures confidentiality and protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. Whether it's online banking, e-commerce transactions, or confidential email exchanges, RSA safeguards data in transit. It provides a secure channel for communication, even in potentially hostile environments. Digital signatures, guaranteeing authenticity. In the physical world, we use signatures to verify the authenticity of documents. Digital signatures serve the same purpose in the digital realm. RSA plays a crucial role in creating and verifying digital signatures. When you sign a document digitally using RSA, a unique digital fingerprint of the document is created and encrypted with your private key. This encrypted fingerprint is the digital signature. Anyone with access to your public key can then verify the signature. The recipient can decrypt the digital signature using your public key. They can then compare it against a new fingerprint generated from the received document. If the two fingerprints match, it confirms that the document originated from you and hasn't been tampered with. Digital signatures are crucial for ensuring the integrity and non-repudiation of electronic documents. They are legally binding in many jurisdictions and are widely used in e-commerce, software distribution, and legal proceedings. Before any secure communication can take place using RSA, both parties need to share their public keys securely. This process, known as key exchange, is another area where RSA proves invaluable. One common method is the Diffie-Hellman key exchange protocol, which leverages RSA's mathematical properties. In this protocol, both parties generate a public and private key pair. They then exchange their public keys over an insecure channel. Using a combination of their private key and the other party's public key, both parties can independently calculate a shared secret key. This shared secret key can then be used for encrypting and decrypting subsequent communications. The beauty of this method is that even if an attacker intercepts the public key exchange, they cannot derive the shared secret key without knowing the private keys. This ensures the security of the initial key exchange process. Secure Sockets Layer, or SSL, and its successor, Transport Layer Security, or TLS, are protocols that secure communication over the Internet. They are fundamental to securing web browsing, email, and other Internet-based applications. RSA plays a crucial role in the SSL-TLS handshake process. When you connect to a website secured with SSL-TLS, your browser and the web server engage in a handshake process. During this process, they exchange digital certificates, which contain their respective public keys. These certificates are digitally signed by Trusted Certificate Authorities, or CAs. Your browser verifies the web server's certificate using the CA's public key, ensuring the server's authenticity. RSA encryption is then used to establish a secure encrypted connection between your browser and the server. This secure connection ensures that all data transmitted between your browser and the server is protected from eavesdropping and tampering. It's how online banking, e-commerce transactions, and confidential webmail access are secured. RSA's applications extend beyond securing web traffic. It's also crucial in securing remote access to computers and creating secure virtual networks. Secure Shell, or SSH, and Internet Protocol Security, known as IPsec, are two prominent examples. SSH is a cryptographic network protocol that allows secure remote access to computers. It uses RSA for both authentication and encryption. When you connect to a remote server using SSH, your SSH client and the server use RSA to authenticate each other and establish a secure channel. IPsec, on the other hand, is a suite of protocols that secure communication at the network layer. It's often used to create virtual private networks, or VPNs, which extend a private network across a public network like the Internet. RSA is used in IPsec for key exchange and digital signatures. These are just two examples of how RSA is used to secure different aspects of network communication. Its versatility and robustness make it a valuable tool for protecting data and communications in various contexts. While RSA is a powerful and widely used crypto system, it's not without its limitations. One of the main drawbacks of RSA is its computational complexity. Compared to symmetric key algorithms like the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES, RSA is significantly slower. RSA involves complex mathematical operations, particularly with large prime numbers. This makes it computationally expensive, especially for encrypting large amounts of data. AES, on the other hand, uses simpler operations and is significantly faster, making it more suitable for bulk data encryption. As a result, RSA is often used in conjunction with symmetric key algorithms like AES. RSA is used for the initial key exchange and establishing a secure channel. Once the secure channel is established, the faster AES algorithm is used for encrypting and decrypting the actual data. This hybrid approach leverages the strengths of both algorithms, ensuring both security and efficiency. It's a common practice in many security protocols and applications. RSA's security relies on the difficulty of factoring large prime numbers. However, the advent of quantum computing poses a potential threat to RSA's long-term security. Quantum computers, with their ability to perform computations exponentially faster than classical computers, could potentially break RSA encryption. While large-scale, fault-tolerant quantum computers are still some years away, their development is progressing rapidly. This has led to research into post-quantum cryptography, or PQC, which aims to develop cryptographic algorithms that are resistant to attacks from both classical and quantum computers. PQC research explores various mathematical problems that are believed to be hard for both classical and quantum computers to solve. Lattice-based cryptography, code-based cryptography, and multivariate cryptography are some of the promising candidates. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, is currently in the process of standardizing PQC algorithms. These standardized algorithms will likely play a crucial role in securing communications in a post-quantum world. RSA has been a cornerstone of network security for decades. Its public key cryptography underpins secure communication, digital signatures, and key exchange mechanisms, protecting sensitive information and ensuring trust in the digital realm. From securing web browsing to enabling secure remote access, RSA's impact is pervasive. While challenges like computational efficiency and the advent of quantum computing exist, RSA continues to evolve. Hybrid approaches combining RSA with faster symmetric key algorithms address efficiency concerns. Meanwhile, Ongoing research in post-quantum cryptography seeks to develop algorithms resistant to quantum attacks, ensuring the long-term viability of secure communication. As we become increasingly reliant on interconnected systems, the importance of robust network security will only continue to grow. RSA, with its proven track record and ongoing evolution, will undoubtedly remain a critical component of our digital security infrastructure for years to come.